Good morning and welcome to all BSc third year students of Fishery Science in online lecture series. We are studying semester 6th paper number 15, fish economics, fish marketing, fishery cooperatives and fish extension. In this paper we have studying unit first detail, then we have proceed the unit second, and in last part of this unit second we have seen in last part fish marketing in India, and in this fish marketing in India we have studied that is the traditional fish market, how this traditional fish market these are to be occur, and which are the problems, which are the lacunas these are to be occur in this traditional fish market, and when which are the problems which is to be outcome, which are the difficulties these are to be seen, and how this traditional fish marketing these are to be like that of the ancient time. This traditional fish marketing is the age old practice, and with a innocent way, with a innocent manner, this traditional fish marketing these are to be done in our Indian region, and every Indian people it can be perform this traditional fish marketing. All of these aspects of this traditional fish marketing, how this traditional fish market these are to be different, how this traditional fish market these are to be a different way to the modern fish marketing, and which are the different difficulties, problems. No one can watch, no one can guide these traditional fish marketing, or government, or no any NGOs, or not any a corporation. It can be maintained, it can be perform a role as a guider. It is to be seen in last part. Now in today's part we are studying fish marketing in India, and in this fish marketing in India we are studying the second important market, that is the modern fish marketing in India, how the modern fish marketing is to be done, perform modern fish marketing in India. Yes, the second important aspect, that is the modern fish market in India. The modern fish marketing is defined as, the modern fish marketing is defined as the marketing is the management process. Marketing is the management process responsible for identifying. Marketing is the management process responsible for identifying, anticipating and satisfying customer requirements profitably is called as modern market. What is meant by definition of modern market? The modern fish marketing is defined as, the marketing is the management process responsible for identifying, anticipating and satisfying customer requirements profitably is called as modern market. Modern fish marketing is also defined as, as integration of channels and communications, to create seamless customer journeys, called as modern fish market. Another definition of modern fish marketing is also defined as integration of channels, any direction, any ways, any manners. These fish marketing these are to be done, any channel we can adapt, we can use the integration of channels and communications to create seamless customer journeys. It is called as modern marketing. मॉडर्न कुठल्याही पद्धतीने, कुठल्याही वेनं, कुठल्याही शास्त्रीय तांत्रिक पद्धतीनं आपल्याला कस्टमर ओढून घेणे, किंवा कस्टमर आपल्याकडे आकर्षित करणे, आणि त्या कस्टमरला सेवा देणे, किंवा त्या कस्टमरला आपली मार्केटिंग सुविधा पुरवणे, म्हणजेच काय, मॉडर्न फिश मार्केट. दिस डेफिनेशन ऑफ मार्केटिंग rightly emphasizes, this definition of marketing rightly emphasizes the focus of marketing on the customer, while at the same time implying a need to link to other business, implying a need to link to other business operations to achieve profitably. It is the most important thing of this modern marketing. This definition of marketing rightly emphasizes the focus of marketing on the customer, while at the same time implying a need to link to other business operations to achieve profitably. Marketing and selling both are different things. Remember that marketing and selling both are different things. They cannot ever be the same. Marketing and selling is the different term. They do not the same thing. They do not the same words. Because selling is only concerned with obtaining cash for our product. Selling is the only concern with obtaining cash for our product. But marketing defines some values and norms to the sales and negotiation of commodities and cash. What is selling and marketing? These are different. These two terms, these are to be not same, because selling is only concerned with obtaining cash for your product. सेलिंग विकणे म्हणजे फक्त आपल्या प्रॉडक्टची कॅश घेणे, आपल्या प्रॉडक्टची कॅश जमा करणे म्हणजे काय सेलिंग. बट मार्केटिंग डिफाइन्स सम व्हॅल्यूज अँड नॉर्म्स टू द सेल्स अँड negotiation. What is mean by marketing? Marketing defines some values and norms to the sales and negotiations of commodities and cash. आता प्रत्येक मार्केटिंगमध्ये काही नॉर्म्स आहेत, काही सेलचे नियम आहेत, काही त्याचे वसूल आहेत. नियोगेशन ऑफ कमोडिटीज अँड कॅश. इट इज नथिंग बट द मार्केटिंग. इट इज नथिंग बट द marketing. Means selling and marketing, these are the different terms, these are the different words, and these words, these are to be not the same, because selling is only concerned with obtaining cash of your product, and marketing defines some values and norms to sell and negotiations of commodities and cash. It is called as the marketing. Modern marketing is just about following things as. Modern marketing is just about following things as. What is in the modern market? Modern marketing is to be described, modern marketing is to be studied as below. To facilitate the customer, first thing, modern marketing is the to facilitate the customer. कस्टमरला सुविधा देणे, कस्टमरला सवलत देणे म्हणजेच काय modern marketing. Second, to find a gap in your customer's mind and fit down a proper image of your brand. What is the modern marketing? To find a gap in your customer's mind and fit down a proper image of your brand. It is nothing but the modern marketing. It is nothing but the modern marketing. Yes. To find a gap in your customer's mind and fit down a proper image of your brand. Second, to understand what does the customer needs. What does the customer needs and provide him with your services accordingly. कस्टमरला काय पाहिजे, कस्टमरची मागणी काय, कस्टमर कशामध्ये इच्छुक आहे, कस्टमरला कुठली आवड आहे, ती आवड ओळखणे. अँड यू कॅन प्रोव्हाइड धिस सर्व्हिस अकॉर्डिंग टू देअर डिमांड, अकॉर्डिंग टू देअर इंटरेस्ट, अकॉर्डिंग टू देअर हॅपीनेस. इट इज द इम्पॉर्टंट थिंग टू अंडरस्टँड व्हॉट डज the customer needs and provide him with your services accordingly. That's why this modern marketing, these following are these things, these are to be considered according to their. To find such a market, where the value is being provided to your product. To find such a market where the value is being provided to your product. To let the customer know you, know you and acquire a position in the customer's book to solve the problems of your customer. What is the find? To let the customer know you and acquire a position in the customer's book to solve the problem of your customer. In this way, modern marketing is to be done, modern marketing is to be performed. Modern fish marketing covers all business activities in order to ascertain the demand, the product planning, distribution, distribution and facilitating the entire marketing process. Modern fish marketing covers all business activities. Modern fish marketing covers all business activities. Those activities which is to be performed by the human being, by the marketers, all these business activities, these are to be done, these are to be performed by this modern marketing in order to ascertain the demand. What is meant by demand? How this demand, these are to be changed. How the law of demand, these are to be affect. Which are the factors affecting on law of demand? What is meant by elasticity? Then demand schedule, demand curve, all these things these are to be studying. That is the ascertain the demand. Products planning, how the product these are to be sold, how the product these are to be selling in market, that product planning is to be done. Then distribution of your product, fair commodities, fair distribution of product, these are to be done, it is to be essential. Then facilitating all these conditions means demand, product planning, distributed, and which facilities which is to be provide for the customers, for the consumers in marketing, which facility to you have to give to your customer, to your, that is marketers, and all these problems, all these activities which is to be performed in marketing, that marketing is called as the modern marketing. Modern marketing has following characters. Modern marketing has following character which are as seen. Which are the modern marketing following character? Modern marketing has following characters as: modern marketing is customer orientation. Modern marketing is customer orientation. Customer orientation आपण बरेच वेळेस ऐकतो, ग्राहक हे दैवत आहे, किंवा बरेच ठिकाणी दुकानात सुद्धा किंवा शॉपमध्ये लिहिलं असतं, ग्राहक हेच आमचं दैवत. दॅट इज कस्टमर ओरिएंटेशन. Modern marketing recognizes customers' supremacy in marketing. The marginal affection or affiliation was focused. The marginal affiliation was focused on the market, and the customer hence becomes consumer oriented. Consumer oriented. जे काही तुम्ही मार्केटिंग करता, जे काही तुम्ही मार्केटिंग करता, दॅट इज कस्टमर ओरिएंटेशन. ग्राहक हेच आपलं दैवत, ग्राहक हेच आपलं साध्य. And modern marketing recognizes customers' supremacy in marketing. The managerial affiliation was focused. The managerial affiliation was focused on the market, and the customer hence it becomes customer oriented. This is the first character. Then second character, modern fish marketing begins with the customers. Modern fish marketing begins with the customers. Now in this era, the production is carried on large quantities, and when this modern fish market begins with the customers, the manufacturer products more than what the society needs. The manufacturer products more than the society needs. सोसायटीला काय पाहिजे त्याच्यापेक्षा आणि जास्तीचं प्रमाणात जास्त देणं. The marketer aim to develop the market. The marketer aim to develop the market. The market becomes seller's market. Similar marketers appear in the market, and there arises, that is, co-satisfaction. The marketer aim to develop the market. The market becomes sellers. Market similar marketers appear in the market, and there arises, that is, co-satisfaction. जे काही तुम्ही मार्केटिंगमध्ये मॅन्युफॅक्चर प्रॉडक्ट करता, द मार्केटर एम टू डेव्हलप द मार्केट. द मार्केट बिकम सेलर मार्केट. सिमिलर मार्केटर्स अपियर इन द मार्केट, अँड देअर अरायजेस को सॅटिस्फॅक्शन. तुम्हाला त्याचं मार्केटरचं काय झालं पाहिजे, समाधान झालं पाहिजे. तुम्हाला तर काय झालं पाहिजे, तुमचं समाधान करण्यात तुम्ही सॅटिस्फाय झाले पाहिजे. द कस्टमर ऑर द कन्झ्युमर हू कम्स इन द लास्ट स्टेज. द कन्झ्युमर्स हू comes in the last stage accept the goods. There is no alternative. There is no alternative means consumers who comes in the last stage accept the goods. There is no alternative, but the situation has been changed. Market has developed from national to international. Competition is the order of day. Today's, that is, market, these are to be developed from national to international, and as to development of these national to international conditions, that is again competition, these are to be occur, and those consumers, those customers, these are to be enter in your shop, enter in your marketing areas. That customer, these are to be at enter in a last stage, but there is no alternative. But unfortunately, in our country, those customers which is to be enter in last stage, in last conditions of the marketing, they have returned without selling or without buying the purchase, because as per your marketing condition, we have do not spend the much time, do not give the information about that product, and the marketers or the customer that can be do not purchase, do not buying the product, and he can be returned empty hands. Such condition, these are to be seen everywhere. Businessmen have started realizing it. Businessmen have started realizing it, that is earning profit is possible only through the consumer satisfaction. The businessmen have started realizing it. Every businessman is to be said, and this is the problem. To solve this problem, today's online shopping, it is the best example, because those things which is to be required for consumers, which items which is to be required for consumers, means consumers mind, it is to be set up free new item they can purchase, and which is to be purchasing freely. And that's why today this online shopping is to be increased. This is the lacuna of market, or lacuna of today's marketing condition. Those backlashes, those that is our weak point, these are to be observed in marketing. These weak points, these are to be solved in online business. Businessmen have started realizing it. Earning profit is possible only through the consumer satisfaction. We can earn the profit, we can earn the extra money. When it is to be earned, when we can satisfy our consumers, and then only we can earn the profit, we can, that is, earn the more money. Yes, to satisfy a customer, his needs are to be known. To satisfy a customer, his needs are to be known. This is possible only when information is collected from the consumers. When to satisfy a customer, to satisfy a consumer, his needs are to be known. We have known what is his needs, which are his problems. Means to satisfy a customer, his needs are to be known. This is possible only when information is collected from the consumers. Thus, modern fish marketing begins with consumers. Thus, modern fish marketing begins with consumers and ends with consumers. Means in this modern fish marketing, marketing begins, started with consumers and ends with consumers. It is the main idea in marketing. Means those things which is to be have started, to consider the consumer's mind, to consider the consumer's condition, to consider the consumer's expensive, to consider the consumer's points, and then to solve these consumers' problem. It is nothing but the means. Thus, marketing of these modern marketing begins with consumers and ends with consumers. Instead of trying to market, what is easiest for us? What is easiest for us to make? We must be find out. To make, we must be find out much more about what the consumer is willing, to buy, and instead of trying to market, this is easiest for us to make. We must be find out much more about what the consumer is willing to buy. The third important characteristics of marketing, modern fish marketing begins before production. Modern fish marketing begins before production. In early periods, there were less competitions. In ancient times, in ancient period, in early periods, there were less competitions or no competition, and any goods sales were easily made. Any goods or any product can be sales, anything can be sales easily. But now today it is changed. Now today it is to be changed, because on daily basis, on television, on networking, on different certain conditions, that is marketing which is to be started, production which is to be seen, and daily advertisement of things, advertisement of any product. Means the product, before coming product, advertising is to be done, and when that product is to come in market, it can be sold. Means In early period there is where less competition, less competitions or no competition, and any goods sales were easily made. But now today it is changed. It is to be changed. What is the third characteristics? Modern fish marketing begins before production. In early periods, there were less competitions or no competition, and any goods, any product, any commodities or sales were easily made. But now today it is to be changed. Now today it is to be changed because due to the changing conditions of marketing, the consumers looks for the usefulness. The consumers looks for the usefulness and acceptability of a product. The consumers look for the usefulness and acceptability of a product, and it find out the needs and desires, and it find out its needs and desires of consumers through marketing research. Means consumers look for the usefulness and acceptability of a product, and it is this product, acceptability of that product, usefulness of that product, it can be seen, it can be desire of consumers through a marketing research. It can be research on marketing condition, it can be check the conditions of marketing research, and he can knowing what is the usefulness of that product, what is the acceptability of that product, and it can be find easy their desired condition, and it is to be done before production of that product, before production of that goods. The information of the market will decide, the information of the market will decide the future of the product. Means those information which is to be occur in market, this information of the market will decide the future of the product. Thus product planning and development is undertaken. Thus product planning and development is undertaken before the actual production takes place. Before the actual production takes place means thus product planning and development is undertaken, and this undertaken is to be before the actual production which is to be takes place, and that's why modern fish marketing begins before the production. Modern fish marketing is to be begins before the production. Yes, with these characters we have sell your product in marketing. Hope you have understood all these characteristics of marketing, how the marketing these are to be done. See the figure. In this figure marketing is to be done. These are the fishes, that is pabda, or it is called as Ompac bimaculatus, and then Valiaguatu, or various varieties of fishes. These are to be marketed in market, and consumers they can buy the fishes, those are to be they can want, those are they can desire, and such marketing is to be done. It is the modern market. Those consumers which buy their product, buy their materials or goods depending upon their desire. Hope all these modern marketing is to be we have understood. Thank you all of you. In next part we have see next article. Yes.